Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Henry Al-Hayan. Here I will explain to learning material Pancasila and Civic Education Class 8 in Junior High School about understanding position and function of Pancasila. First, I will explain about Pancasila as the state foundation and the nation way of life. The term Pancasila was first introduced by Insinyur Soekarno at the BPUPKI session. Pancasila comes from the word Panca, which means five, and Sila, which means important and good principles. Pancasila is an important and good guideline. Pancasila, since 18 August 1945, has been designed as the basis of the state by BPKI as the state in the preamble to the 1945 Constitution of Republic Indonesia. Number 1. Pancasila as the basis of the state. The background of Pancasila as the basis of the state cannot be separated from the history of the struggle of the Indonesian nation in achieving the ideal of national independence. The discussion of Pancasila was held at the BPUPKI session on May 29 to June 1, 1925. The question of whether the basis of an independent Indonesian state was successfully answered by the founder of the country in the session of BPUPKI and PPKI by formulating and establishing the state enshrined in the opening of the State Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia in 1945. Pancasila is also referred to as the basis of the state's philosophy and state's ideology. In this case, Pancasila serves as the basis for governing the administration of the state. The formulation of Pancasila contained in the fourth paragraph of the opening of the State Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia in 1945 is juridically constitutionally valid and binding on all state institutions, community institutions, and every citizen without exception. Number 2. Pancasila as the nation view of life. The founder of the country, based on high national thought and spirit, have agreed that the basic of Indonesian state is Pancasila. Why Pancasila? Why not an ideology that imitates other nations of the world? The founder of the country had the idea that the view of the nation life should be in accordance with the characteristic of the Indonesian nation. Therefore, taken from the personality of the nation highest and the fundamental conception of the norm of the nation. Pancasila is considered by the founder of the Indonesian nation to have the best value of life. The agreement of Pancasila as a view of the life of Indonesian nation has been through a series of long process and deep thinking, and will be used as the basis and motivation in all attitudes, behaviors, and deeds in the life of society, nation, and state to achieve the state's objective as stated in the preamble of the Constitution of Republic of Indonesia year 1945. Number 3. The importance of Pancasila as the basis of the states and outlook of life. For the Indonesian nation, Pancasila is used as the basis of the state and the nation view of life to regulate the implementation of the states. The opening of State Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia in 1945 Alenia Force affirmed that the Indonesian nation has a basic and guidelines in the nation and states, namely Pancasila. Pancasila as the basis of the states underlies the article in the State Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia years 1945 and becomes the ideal of the law set forth in the legislation. All the principles of Pancasila cannot be implemented separately because Pancasila is a whole and interconnected unity. In its implementation, the first principle of Pancasila underlies the second, third, fourth, and fifth principle. The second syllabus is based on the first syllabus based on the third, fourth, and fifth syllabus. The third syllabus is based on the first and second syllabus and the fourth and fifth syllabus, and so on. Secondly, I will explain about the value of Pancasila as the basic of the state's and the nation's view of life. Pancasila as the basic of the state's and the view of life of the Indonesian nation has its own characteristic or characteristics that are different from other ideologies in the world. All the principles of Pancasila cannot be implemented separately because Pancasila is a whole and interconnected unity. The principles in Pancasila are a series of unity that cannot be separated from each other or cannot be divided or squeezed. The history of journey of the Indonesian nation since it was proclaimed on August 17, 1945 until now has proven the existence of Pancasila that is able to adjust to the changed dynamics of the Indonesian nation. The position of Pancasila as the basic of the state and state ideology is a final agreement because it's able to unite difference of the view. Pancasila is accepted by all levels of Indonesia society. Defending Pancasila means defending the unitary states of the Republic of Indonesia. If anyone wants to reverse Pancasila, it threatens the existence of the states of Indonesia. If the basic of the states is reversed, the building of the states of Indonesia collapses. Therefore, maintaining Pancasila is a shared responsibility between the government and the people of Indonesia.